I'm here to present to you the basic techniques in bandaging. The material we will be used is called the triangular bandage. The triangular bandage is composed of the parts called the apex, the peak, the 2 points, the 2 other corners is called the points, here the right side and the left side. Then the bottom part is called the base. As we know the parts, we will now proceed in creating our material, in creating the tool we will use in bandaging. First, we must transform this triangular bandage to a narrow cravat. Fold the triangular bandage. First, you must fold it in half, where the 2 points, the left and right point, will meet. Like this. Then hold the apex in your right hand. Then the base is in your left hand. Fold it in half like this. Then using your left hand, unfold from the inside to the outside, like so. This. Then repeat it twice to acquire a narrow cravat. One, then another one. You see, we had produced a narrow cravat that will be used in the bandaging technique I will teach you. Then the knot we will be using in this bandaging techniques is called the square knot. The square knot is done by holding get the left part and the right part, see, then left over right, see, then you see the right will pass, will be go down the left part, then you acquire this, then again left over right, the left part will be gone to the bottom, see? Then you will pull in both sides, then you will see a square part. Then to untie this, you'll just get the left part, pull it towards the right, then hold the knot and slide it to the right. See? Easy. Oh, it's easy, man. Now, okay, I will teach you the first bandaging technique called arm swing. Arm swing is used for a arm that has been sprained or must be immobilized. This is my victim. Then first, we must create a knot in the apex part. A simple knot. Let's see, like this. Simple knot. Now you'll see like this. Triangular bandage, you go like this. Then you'll ask, what arm is sprained now? Then she'll answer like this. She will say this arm. Then you must be gentle with that. Then the knot part, you go through the elbow. Then just move it slowly. And the inner part, you will put it the opposite part. Then put the hand in the heart. And then the outer part will be wrapped behind. Then you will hold this. The arm part, the hand must be seen. Then let's fix this. Then you must create a knot at the back using the square knot. You see this? We put it like left over right, The knot must be not too loose and not too tight. Then left over right again. Yeah. Then we must hide the excess part. Likewise the other part, like this knot. Must hide it. And voila! This is called the arm swing, or is to immobilize an arm that is strained or dislocated and so forth. Thank you. I'm here to present to you the bandaging technique used for an ear injury. The narrow cravat that we will use will put in this manner. The longer part will pass over the chin, and the upper part will go behind, while the lower part will go forward, creating this. And the knot will be created in the injured part, creating a square knot, like so. I demonstrated earlier. You see the square knot. Then removing the knot, you proceed in this manner, pulling the left to the right, and holding the knot and releasing it, like so.